Je bent gewoon de granaat even gegooid. Oh, waarom? Hij snapt het alleen niet. Je bent al af, er werd een granaat. Hallo, je bent granaat naast je voeten.
Hey everyone, what's up? I am proud to say my dad, who is a former member of the Military Police, joined our Airsoft game. We were curious to see if any of his former experiences survived over 40 years of aging. Spoiler alert, no. Today, we are at the abandoned office building. It's the last weekend we get to play here, as it's gonna get demolished. Join us in a game of domination to see what the old man is still capable of.
Multi-kill. Headshot.
We've been defending the control point on this floor, and we did one hell of a job. Unfortunately, the enemy is starting to overwhelm us.
Hallo. Huh? Ja, je snapt dat als je je wapen zo uitsteekt, iedereen kan zien dat je er zit. Hallo. Heb je er nou een geschoten? Ik zei nog, als je je wapen uitsteekt, kunnen ze je zien. Ja, we waren al dood. Hey, dat mag je niet hardop zeggen.
Being pushed of our floor, we decided to go for one of the other two control points. We ran into this blockade near the elevator.
Double kill.
I clearly hit this guy.
Multi-kill.
Nee.
Wait, he did not take that earlier hit?
Oh, dat is rood.
I could see the BB shatter on his gun, but that won't stop me from playing fair myself.
That's a bummer. Okay.
We just conquered the control point on the 3rd floor. It's now up to us to defend it from incoming enemies and hold it as long as possible.
Hallo. Snel, oh. Ik dacht dat je mijn maatje was.
We quickly respawn, hoping we can make a last stand.
Granaat! Hit! Hit!
Even though he's been in the army, my dad wasn't always the most tactical companion. Stealth must have been invented after his time of serving. Also, it's a good thing there wasn't actual danger.
Ze komen van die kant en jij loopt wel je gebak naar die trap toe.
All jokes aside, it was amazing my dad was willing to join us this game. It's been around 5 years since he last joined and only his 2nd time ever. I hope you had as much fun watching him play Airsoft as I did. If you enjoyed this video, why not try watching another one? You can click 1 right on this screen. See you next time.